Alright, job of the day. We're doing service on 2 enclosed trailers. This 6-lug and this 8-lug Hallmark. I got my front end. I'm going to lift up and do the hard side first. Always do the hard side first because you will enjoy the easy side after the fact. And when I say hard side, I mean direct sun. So we'll see if the sun's directly on top of me when I'm doing the other side. Get my tester. This thing's been drug a little bit. Wires do not look like they got damaged though. Plug is a little loose, but let's see if everything works. Everything works. Wow, look at that. Let's do a little routine. Tail lights. Oh, these lights, I've seen better days. Pretty sure the tail lights on the rear are working, but yeah, tail lights on the, oh, no. What about right turn? Right turn's working. How about left turn? Left turn's working. Back to marker lights. Can't tell if the sun's against them or probably should just replace all these to LED. Looks like they sealed the roof. I got a little bit of light, it's just not very bright. See if I can fix that real fast. I just came up to do bearings. He's got to go to Oklahoma. So I'm gonna service his axles now. Let's get after it. Tires off. Oh yeah, grease is ready. Cotter key 1 is out. Cotter key 2 coming out. Castle nuts. Come on. Off, brake looks okay. Forgot to test the brake. Where'd I put the remote? I put it on top of my tester? I did. Alright, free spinning brakes are on. Brakes are not working. See if my brake is on. Yeah, brake is on. Okay. Let's see if the brakes are getting power. I'll do bearings first. They might have reached up and grabbed something. Or that plug on the front's bad. Everything looks good underneath. Something looks torn away. That's good. That's good. Alright, we'll just tear it down, see what's going on. It could just be the wiring in the front. Well, the front brake's working. Off. Yeah, front brake's working. This rear brake is not working. It could just be a wiring issue. Is it broken somewhere? Might be broken going into that axle. Oh yeah, it pulled out a little bit. Okay, I can fix that. No problem. All right, rear hub going on. Hubs are packed. Oh, I need to clean. Grab the other one, I guess. I need to clean the washer and the castle nut. Grab a new rag. Front is going on. I'm gonna adjust these brakes as well. Stay. All right, washer. Washer's on. Castle nut, clean off. Castle nut is on. Go to the back. Washer, get all the hay out of it. No dirt, no grime. Castle nut time. Channel locks to hand tight. Hand tight. Back it off Constellation. Cotter key through. Hammer cotter key in. Cotter key on the rear is on. Front castle nut tightening down. Hand tight. Back off Constellation. Free spinning. Cotter key through. Cotter key bent. Cotter key bent. Hammer. Cotter key installed in the front. Let's get this. Dust cap going on. Dust cap front. And dust cap going on. Dust cap rear. Brakes on. Locked up, but it does need to be adjusted. Can I get into that? Ooh, I might be able to get into that with this tool. Okay. This tool, I might have to sand the sides down on this, but I think I can get at least this one in there. Maybe? Oh, I can. Hallelujah. Sounds like it's slightly rubbing. Almost. Good. Brakes are on. Oh yeah, locked up way better. Brakes are off. Free spinning. Slightly rubbing on the brakes. The person who told me about this tool messaged me. He's like, how's it working? I was like, well, it doesn't work very well, but it works on these axles. I wonder if different manufacturers have different angle on their drop spindle, because this one goes right in perfectly fine. So I take it back, it does work. I'm gonna keep this side up in the air with no tires on. I'm gonna go to the other side. I put a jack stand in. I'm gonna go to the other side, tear it down, and then I'm pretty sure that this just needs to be rewired. It looks like it got hit, but I do need to adjust this brake. Come on. Oh, I just hit. Ow, mother fricker. I just hit my head so hard. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna sand this down. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm seeing stars. There we go. What's life without a little tool modification? I think that'll fit in perfectly now. Oh baby. No, we're just trying to get to a, I think I need to modify it just a little more. Nope, got it. Found the adjuster. Come on. Yes. Work with me. A little bit more. Come on. How far out was this thing? Jeez. Thunder. Alright, slight rubbing on the brakes. Perfect. But it's not wired in, so I can't check it. Be on the opposite side now. And there's a broken wire right there, look at that. Get this tire off, fix that wire up, make sure the brakes are working. Pump, 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 pump. Looks like my welds are holding from when I swapped this over to slipper suspension. Trailer's in the air. Yep, that's toasted. Did this break? No, wire looks good. Theoretically, that other side should be working. So we gotta make sure, see if we're getting any power to this side. I got ripped. Still connected, okay. Wire's good. Let's strip it and test it. Stripped. Let's take that front tire off though. Front's free spinning. Brakes are on. Brakes are working here. I'm gonna grab my tester. Voltage tester. And we'll see if we're even getting power to the rear axle. Where can I ground it? Maybe here? No, maybe not. Trying the U-bolt, see if that works. Okay, brakes are on. Yeah, I'm getting good power. Yeah, okay. Okay, getting good power, so brakes should be working. This brake's wired. Brakes are on, locked up, but it needs to be adjusted. The other side's still not getting good power. Did it get ripped here? No. I might just pull some new wire through this axle tubing. I think that's what I'll do. And then rewire it up. And then if that's not the case, I gotta change that backing plate out because the magnet's bad. I found the culprit. Look at that thing, fully disconnected. I think that's the only spot. Yeah, I just ran new wire in the tubing. This backing plate should be good. Yeah, it's fully disconnected. That's crazy. But ran new wire through the tubing. Wiring it up now. Got passenger side wired in. Let's go to the driver's side. Come on. Fine, I'll grab you. Wired up. Will they work? Free spinning. Brakes on. Brakes locked up. Oh, yeah, brakes locked up. Fuck yeah. All right, cool. Everything's wired correctly. I'm gonna go pack these hubs and then put everything I need to adjust these brakes as well. All right, driver's side hubs are going on. Everything's packed. New grease. Hubs tight. Free spinning. Hand tight. Back off one constellation. Cotter key through. Bend over cotter key. Hammer cotter key. Rear is installed. Same on the front. Hand tight. Constellation. Free spinning. Cotter key in. Cotter key through. Bend. Hammer. Front. On. Hammer dust cap. Dust cap pounded. Rear. Dust cap pounded. Sweet. Free spinning. Free spinning. Let's adjust these brakes. I'm gonna go get my different gloves on. Let's get these adjusted. I'm on plug. Sometimes these things are good to get out. Sometimes they're a pain in the ass. In this case, pain in the ass. All right, brakes adjusted. Free spinning on the front. Brake is on, locked up. Brake is off, free spinning. Rear, free spinning. Brake is on, locked up. Brake is off, free spinning. Perfect. Let's heat up these shrink wrap butt connectors and be done. And zip tie wiring, clip zip tie. This side's done, let's put tires on. All right, front tire going on. Tires driver's side are done. Drop this thing down. Let's go put on the other side. Passenger side tires are going on. Front tire sitting on there. Rear tire rolling and getting put on now. Oh, I need to shrink wrap that butt connector. Not time yet. I just need to swap all my batteries out to these 8 amp ones. These 8 amp ones are great. These 5 amp hour batteries just don't have enough. Get in nice and toasty hot. It's good, tuck the wire into the axle. It's all shrunk wrap. Let's get this tire on. And rear axle, or rear tire going on. Oh, missing a lug nut. All right, this trailer's done. His important lights are working. I need to quote out for just replacing all of these with LEDs. His left turn, right turn are working, his stop are working. Some of these top are working. There's enough for him to be safe and drive out, but he's got new bearings. All of his brakes work now. His rear axle is rewired. It was broken. Where's the brake? Where is the brake in this wire? There's the brake in the wire. Just completely fell apart. Rubbing in the axle tube. Happens. So I fixed it, ran a new wire through the tube, and now I'm torquing lug nuts. Got front passenger done. Doing rear passenger now. Rear passenger's done. Let's go to driver's side. Front driver done. Rear driver done. Give me back my tool, please. Cool. All right, this trailer's done. I'm on to the next, which is right next to this one. So I'm gonna work on that trailer.